Ito naman ay katanungan ni Mary Bell. Sabi ni Mary Bell, sinubukan kong magpasa ng resignation letter sa kanyang boss, pero hindi siya pumayag. Yung boss niya hindi pumayag. Legal ba daw ito o hindi? Mabel, ang involuntary servitude o sa pilitang pagtatrabaho ay hindi pinahihintulutan ng batas. Alinsunod sa Article 3 ng Bill of Rights ng 1987 Constitution of the Philippines. Sa Section 18, 2, no involuntary servitude in any form shall exist except as a punishment for a crime whereof the party shall have been duly convicted. So batay sa nabanggit mo na provision, hindi ka maaaring pilitin pang magtrabaho ng iyong boss. Gayunpaman, sinasabi ng batas, kung magre-resign ka sa trabaho ay kinakailangan mo na advance notice. Maliban kung may dahilan, ayon yan sa itinadhana sa ilalim ng ating batas na nagpapahintulot sa empleyado na magbitaw o magbitiw agad o kung paikliin o i-waive ng employer ang nasabing 1-month notice. Kung hindi ito susundin, maaaring bayaran ng danyos ang magre-resign na empleyado at ito'y malinaw na nakasaad sa sumusunod na provision ng Labor Code of the Philippines. So dapat magbibigay ka ng 1-month notice bago ka mag-resign sa iyong trabaho. So ayon yan sa ating batas, Article 3 ng Bill of Rights ng 1987 Constitution, dapat sa Section 18, 2, nakasaad na walang servitude, involuntary servitude. So sa Article 285, termination by the employee. An employee may terminate without just cause the employee-employer relationship by serving a written notice on employer at least 1 month in advance. The employer upon whom no such notice was served by may hold the employee liable for damages. An employee may put an end of a relationship without serving any notice on the employer for any of the following cause. Una, serious insult by the employer or his respected on the honor of a person of the employee. Unbearable treatment accorded for the employee by the employer and his representative. Then, commission of crime or offense by the employer of his representative, the person of the employee or of the immediate member of the family. And lastly, any causes that is analogous and by foregoing. So malinaw yon na hindi ka talaga pwedeng pilitin, pero dapat nag-notify ka 1 month before the resignation para ma-turn over mo rin yung mga dapat mong i-turn over sa hahalili sa'yo. So laging tandaan sa Section 18.2 nakasaad sa Article 3 ng Bill of Rights of 1987 Constitution of the Philippines, Section 18-2, no involuntary servitude. Unless may nagawa kang kasalanan, pwede kang tanggalin or parusahan ng iyong employer. Yun lang po, Mary Bell.